Hello students and very good morning to you all. This is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and I am a subject teacher of Social Studies, and in this video we are going to start the problems related to our exercise work, and we will complete our exercises as well in this video. Okay. Before starting with the exercise, we should have a quick revision that what we have studied till now in this chapter, that is India, our country. Okay. India is a country located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Okay. Among 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent. Okay. And in the southern part of Asia, the our country, that is India, lies in the southern part of Asia. The countries of Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar are its neighbors on land. Across the sea, our nearest neighbors are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, so these were the neighboring countries of India. After that, we had also discussed our 4 natural boundaries. Okay, what are the 4 natural boundaries which protect our country from our enemies? That 4 natural boundaries are: in northern side, the northern mountain, or the Himalayan mountain range. Okay, in eastern side we have Bay of Bengal. Okay, in eastern side we have Bay of Bengal. In southern side we have Indian Ocean, and in western side we have Arabian Sea. Okay, so these are the 4 natural boundaries which is covering the boundaries of India, borders of India. After that, we have discussed about some physical features of India as well, that in how different regions of country, different landforms are there. Okay, there is a diversity in our landforms. After that, natural features. Natural features is the same as we are talking about the different landforms. After that, animals and plants. This also we have discussed, that what types of species we have in our country. The species we have, that also is a very diverse thing which we can see in our country. Okay. After that, people of India. Okay, we have discussed about people of India, their different languages, different clothing manners, different food habits. Okay, so these are the we can say a diverse thing which is in our country. After that, we have discussed their traditions, culture. After that, we had completed the topic. Sorry for the interruption, guys. And we has also completed our government. Okay, how our government look after the needs and problems of people of our country, and what are the levels of government in our country. First one is central government, second one is state government, and third one is local government. Okay, central government deals with the problems of whole country, people of whole country. After that, state government deals with the problems of their particular state. Okay, and local governments, they deal with the problems of the people related to their villages, towns or cities. Okay, so these are the 3 levels of government in our country. After that, states and union territories, we have 28 states in present day and 8 union territories in our country. I have provided you the state names, capitals, union territories name and their capitals as well. So you will complete that in your fair copy. After that, we are going to cover the exercise part, that is fill in the blanks. First one is fill in the blanks. First question is fill in the blanks. Okay. First one, India is located in the continent of dash. Okay, India is located. First question is, okay, India is located in the continent of Asia. Okay, the answer is Asia. Second question is, vast areas of almost flat land are called, okay, vast areas of flat land are called dash, okay, so that is plains. The answer is plains. After the third one is, the big desert in the northwest of India is called, okay, in the northwest part of our country, we have one biggest desert of our country, that is Thar Desert. Okay, the answer is Thar Desert. Okay, fourth one is, Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Okay, fourth answer is Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is a state, okay, in the western part of our country, and it is the largest state in India. So the answer of fourth fill in the blanks is Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Now fifth question is, the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in winter is dash. Okay, so what is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir in winter is Jammu. Okay, so these are the answers. You are going to match with your answers, right? And you will fill in the blanks. Now see the second part. Okay, second part is, choose the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. First one is, the Himalayas lie to India's. Okay, the options are south, east, west, north. Okay, so we have discussed many times that where the Himalayas lie to India. Okay, in which part the Himalayan mountains lies in India. So it is the north side. The answer is D. Answer is D, north. Okay. Now second is, a highland with a flat top is called. Okay. A highland with a flat top is called a plateau, an island, a plain, a mountain. Okay. So these are the four options, and the right one is a plateau. A, option A, plateau. Okay. Now, third question. India is the dash in the world. Okay. Options are fifth largest country, sixth largest country, seventh largest country, and D largest country. Okay, so the option is C, seventh largest country. Okay, India is the seventh biggest country in the, or we can say largest country in the world. So the option is C, seventh largest country. Okay, seventh largest country. Now, question number 4. Okay, this is not a union territory. Okay, you are having four options. Among that four options, one name is not a union territory. So the first one is Hyderabad, second one is Chandigarh, third one is Puducherry, and fourth one is New Delhi. Okay, as we all know that Chandigarh, Puducherry, and New Delhi, they all are union territory except Hyderabad. Okay, except Hyderabad, which is a name of a state. Sorry, okay, it is not. This is not a union territory. Okay, it is not a state name. It is a capital name. Okay, of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, so the option is A. Hyderabad is a city as well as capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, so the option is A, Hyderabad. Okay, now third question is match the following. Now see the third question, which is match the following. Match the following. Okay, match the following section. I will just write the answer in front of the question. First one is second, third. Okay. 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 In match the following section, first one is Assam, and the answer is D, Dispur. Okay. Answer is D. Okay. Second one is Gujarat, and according to your book, the right option is Gandhinagar. Okay, Gandhinagar is on C. Okay, C. I should write the names also. Assam, B option, Dispur, and Gandhinagar. Okay, Gandhinagar. C, Meghalaya. Okay, third one is Meghalaya, and the right answer is Shillong, which is on the E. Shillong. Okay. Fourth one is Chhattisgarh. Okay. Fourth one is Chhattisgarh, and the right option is Raipur, which is on A. Okay. Raipur. Okay. Fifth one is Haryana, and the right option is B. Chandigarh. B. Chandigarh. Okay. So these are the right options in front of them. Assam, Dispur, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Meghalaya, Shillong, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Haryana, Chandigarh. So these are the names of the states, and these are the names of their capitals. Okay. This you are going to complete in your fair copy. After that, the answer the following questions. Okay, in one or two sentences, and answer the following questions in a paragraph. This section I will provide you in PDF format. Okay, because it will take much space on the board as well as time also. So we have a limited time. After that, we will conduct our online classes. So only this much for this video. We'll meet in our next video and online classes. Till then, please be supportive for your online classes, videos provided to you and video formats to complete your exercises and learn some new things for your upcoming test. Thank you so much.